Good morning vlog. Today we're starting out the vlog in the car. I'm doing something for myself today. I'm gonna go get a massage. My mother-in-law is watching baby G and I'm gonna get a massage. I've been getting really bad headaches again and I really need to get a massage because my headaches are so bad. I probably need to go to the chiropractor too. And I started seeing a therapist again and she suggested that I start doing more things for myself. So this is only a few hours out of my day where I'm not gonna be with my baby. And it's relaxing, it's good for me both mentally and physically, and it's still letting me do something for myself. So I'm gonna go do that real quick, and then I just have a day at home cleaning and being a stay-at-home mom. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. I've been told that you guys like vlogs and I like filming them, so come with me as you spend a day in my life. I'm really excited and it's really cold, so I'm gonna get the heat turned on, put some music on, and head to the massage therapist. And we're done. That was an amazing massage. If you guys haven't got a massage, do it. I try to go like once every week, once every 2 weeks, depending on how bad I am. But because last time we had some not good weather, I went a couple weeks and I've been getting really bad headaches again. I don't know if I said that earlier. And when I get really bad headaches, it helps me to get massaged. So I'm super glad that I went and did that. There's a spot in my back that's really hurting. And he said that's probably because of my rods. I was worried that it was because of my epidural, but he worked that. And like, it's kind of painful a little bit. Like, when he's massaging it, it's not like relaxing, but afterwards I feel so good. So I'm really glad I went to go do that. And I'm actually feeling really good too, because I don't know if I've talked about this, but this car that we bought is higher up and I've not had a lot of practice getting in and out of it because, one, I'm not going anywhere. There's a panorama right now, and I have Gideon all the time, so I don't feel comfortable getting out a lot with him by myself in case something happens. And Jacob works all the time, so I've only went out by myself a handful of times in this car, and like without having Jacob here to help me. And last time I went to get my nails done, and when I was getting back into the car at the nail salon, I fell because my chair was broke. And so I've had really bad anxiety leaving, like to the point where like I was kind of getting scared that I was developing like a fear of leaving my house. And so my therapist told me that I really need to work on like doing things for myself, by myself, and like taking time for myself. So getting a massage is one of those things, like I said. And I've seriously been having anxiety about this trip specifically because I was scared I was gonna fall, and I'm like 30 minutes away from my house right now, and Jacob's at work, so if I were to fall, I wouldn't know what to do. And thankfully, it was an easy transfer. That's what I'm getting at. So I feel much better about this now because obviously the few times that I've been out by myself, I've either had someone help me or I fell. And so my mind was that I couldn't do it by myself. And I just did it by myself. So I feel good. That person's taking a picture of that minivan. Okay, anyway. So I'm gonna go get some food real quick and then I'm gonna rush back home to my baby.
My name is Liz. I'm gonna serve you today.
Hi, can I do the orange cranberry club, please?
Would you like a pickle with that sandwich?
No, thank you.
What for your side, hon?
Can I do macaroni and cheese?
Okay.
And can I have a sweet tea with white ice to drink, please?
Anything else for you?
Nope, that'll be it.
1166. Can I get a name for the order?
Yeah, it's Sabrina.
Sorry about that.
No, you're okay.
1166. Here you go.
Thank you.
For you. As soon as I give you your card and receipt, could you pull up over there?
Yeah, of course. So I'm back home now. I got home and hung out with my mother-in-law for a little bit. I went ahead and ate my lunch. I did some pumping and then I cleaned my pump supplies. I brushed my hair out, and now little Gideon's laying down for a nap. Once I actually am able to set him down, I'm gonna get some cleaning done around the house. My cats are fighting. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. And try to get some cleaning done around the house, and then I'm just gonna relax and love on my baby for a little bit. My sweet baby angel child let me nap for 2 hours. he slept for probably 2.5, and then he got up, I fed him, changed him, and now he's back asleep again. So I'm gonna pump real quick, and then I'm gonna start cleaning since I took that nap. Jacob gets off early tonight, and by early I mean 8 o'clock, so he should be home in a couple of hours. And I'm gonna try to get dinner prepared. We have a good dinner planned, and then I have to pack an Etsy order because I got an Etsy order. I'm super excited about that. I love that it's like 7 o'clock at night right now and it's still sunny outside. Like, that makes me so happy. I only got to pump for like 10 minutes. I didn't get that much out. I think I'm gonna end up doing a video talking about like my pumping experience again, because my pump, like my milk supply has dropped, and I'm trying so many things to get it back up, and I think that it would be interesting to kind of see like what I'm doing and see like how it works. So I think I'm gonna try that, filming like my experience on trying to build a pump supply, because I want to get like a supply of back orders for when I'm like not with him. I'm not with him a lot, but like today his grandma watched him for a few hours, and I would prefer him to have breast milk while I'm gone, so I need to get that. I need to get my supply built up, and I've been trying a lot of things, so I think I'm gonna do a video on that. I'm just trying to figure out how to film it and frame it and all that stuff. I finally got Gideon to sleep. He's been fighting it for several hours, so now I have a short amount of time to get things done. Jacob should be home shortly, so I'm gonna try to get the kitchen picked up, take the trash out that's behind me. It needs taken out. I'm pretty sure the potatoes that I threw out the other day were bad, and now they stink, so I definitely need to get them out of the house because something in this kitchen is stinky. Judge me all you want for that. It's real life. And yeah, so I'm gonna get some cleaning done real quick before Jacob gets home and hopefully start on dinner. So right now I'm going to package up an Etsy order. If you guys don't know, I do have an Etsy shop where I sell stickers, and I'm working on new designs right now. I'm gonna have Jacob help me on some of them, and then I'm gonna make them into stickers, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna package this order up real quick. Jacob actually took Gideon to his parents' house real quick. We had to go over there for some errands, and so his dad was wanting to see Gideon because he didn't see him this morning. So Jacob took Gideon over there so that I could pack this order in peace. And I'm gonna do this really quick, and then Jacob's bringing home Taco Bell for dinner, and I'm really excited because I didn't want to cook. Even though we had like a healthy dinner today, I just was not feeling like cooking. So he's getting Taco Bell, and I'm really excited. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, you probably haven't seen this, but I am trying something new with my business for the next couple of orders, and I'm sending out scrunchies as thank yous. I wanted to include these because I found a really good deal on them from the company that I buy my mailers and stuff from, and they're just so cute. I have the cow print one, and I also have a yellow one that has bumblebees on it. Let me show you that one real quick. Hang on. This one has little bumblebees on it, and it's yellow, and it's so cute. And so I've been including these with every order that someone buys from my Etsy shop. So if you guys want one of these scrunchies, definitely check out my Etsy. And like I said, I'm going to be posting new designs soon. I don't know if the designs will be up by the time I post this vlog, but definitely go check out my Etsy. And if you don't want to order through Etsy, you can order through me directly. You would still get these. Just let me know. I will leave my information in the description box for you to contact me. But super excited about these. So thank you if you've supported me. Okay, it's the next night. I forgot to sign off my vlog. I'm actually getting ready to pack up another Etsy order. I'm feeling so blessed and so grateful. Thank you to everyone who supported me. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and sign the vlog off first. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you guys have anything that you want to see from me in the future, please leave it in the comments below. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A that I'm going to ask for questions on Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please do so. I'm gonna leave that link below as well. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.